In today's video, we're going to take a quick peek at the Nasdaq cash chart and then the Nasdaq futures chart. And I want to go over an example of timing here. Now, in this case, we ended up having the coincidence of actually 8 cycles that came due between October 7th, 8th, and since we were rallying into that time window, into price resistance, that was a sell setup. Okay, we didn't know if it was going to be triggered, but it was. And what we also don't know is how much is the market going to give you. But this was the setup. The trigger tells you when to get in. And then since we don't always know what it's going to give us, one of the things that you do is you do set up the target. Now, the target is typically going to be the 1272 extension of the swing into the zone. So that means that the target's down here around this 73.76 area. But hey, what if we don't make the target? What if we just retrace to support and then potentially resume the rally? Well, basically you're going to use a trailing stop. And you can also look at the support decisions on the flip side to help you to know when you should ratchet down your stops. And one of those things, or one of those charts, would be this 120-minute chart of Nasdaq. Shows you that we are on top of some key support that includes a 618 retracement of one swing, some symmetrical projections of other swings, an extension of the low to high swing, and yeah, I think that's about it. But as you're closer to support at this point, you would ratchet down your stops. Now maybe it just continues through that support, and if that's the case, then sure, it'll move in your favor. But we don't know that, so we always want to start trailing a stop down, especially when you move into some key support. So take it from one decision to the next. Usually in the trading room we have either 30-minute or 120-minute charts up for the higher time frame, and we have 5-minute charts for the lower time frame chart. And most of the traders that are doing futures are using something like a 377 tick chart as far as a trigger chart. So if you want to learn more about that, come and check us out.